Well, welcome back. We're studying Romans chapter 3 this week, and Romans chapter 3 has a big part of it all about righteousness. And so we're going to actually spend some time in this idea of righteousness for a few weeks for now. Well, welcome. We're in Romans chapter 3 this week, and this week we're going to start talking about righteousness. And so over the next few weeks, we're actually going to be talking about words that have similar roots in the Greek, and so we're going to kind of be talking about some similar topics and ideas a few times. So buckle up and have a good attitude towards learning about righteousness, if you can. So Tom, tell us a little bit about this word righteousness. What does it mean, and what do we know about it from Scripture?
Well, it's in there a lot in various forms. 544 times we find it in the Bible. 2 times in our passage here in Romans 3, the first 20 verses. And you get some of my favorite Bible verses here in this passage. And what we're really looking at is how do we go about to establish our righteousness. That's really the crux of a lot of the New Testament.
Yeah. So Tom, tell us a little bit about this word that we're going to be studying, which is diakonos. Did I say that right? It's
as
hard.
Close as I can get.
But can you tell us a little bit about when we see that righteousness? What are we talking about when we say righteousness in the Bible?
Well, by definition, it means equitable in character or act, justification. So it really speaks of being right in the eyes of God.
Okay, sweet. So one of the things that we do, and I know everybody loves it, you're all super excited to hear what the icebreaker is this week. And my encouragement this week is, before we even get to the question, is you have something that you're good at, or that you were trained in, or that you know something about. So that's my precursor to this. You have something that you know. And so the question is, what is an area that you have expertise in? Something that you know about. And so I know that's weird to think about. It's hard to see yourself as an expert at something, but you know something. And so that's what we want to get to today. So have a good time answering that, and we will see you next week for the second part of Romans chapter 3.